Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you a really simple but useful method to connect your Android phone to an ad hoc network created by yourself on your computer. There are several ways of doing this. Some people use softwares that are on their Android phones that require routing their Android software and stuff, but I don't really recommend this method because sometimes people end up messing up their phones. And you can also use other softwares too that create sort of a virtual hotspot on your computer that works perfectly, but this one is really simple. You don't need any software, you don't need to modify any settings on your Android, and it works perfectly. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is to turn on your Wi-Fi on your laptop. Then when this is on, you click start, type CMD. Now CMD is just a short form for command prompt. Now right click on CMD here and choose run as administrator. Now Windows is going to pop up a small window where you're going to have to allow the Windows command processor to run. So of course we're going to choose yes. When the screen comes, we're going to enter a few DOS commands. Okay, so I'm going to add these DOS commands as information on the video so that later you can just copy them and paste them. It's really hectic to type all these commands into this DOS prompt, so we're just going to have to copy the first command. We're going to do it gradually. You copy the first one, you click on the DOS command, you right click and you choose paste. Now this command can be modified to the way that best suits you, so we're going to have to, you can, if you want to, you can just work with this, but I'm going to prefer to change. So you're going to change the name field here to let me call it Android Wi-Fi. Then I'm going to go on to the password. I'm going to clear this password. I'm going to type probably D3RGMHTB9P. I'd advise that if you want to change the password, you use passwords, alphanumeric passwords, sort of this, because I tried other passwords that were like 4 characters, they didn't work. Okay, so you can just modify your password now. Then when you're done, you hit the enter. So when this goes on successfully, you're going to have the user key passphrase of the hosted network has been successfully changed. Now some people end up not going through this process because they try to change the name and password and end up mixing the DOS commands. If it's going to be really hectic for you, just don't modify anything, just copy this command we have here, paste it here and hit enter. Now the second thing we're going to do is we're going to copy this second command here, right click copy, click here, you choose paste. Now when you paste this, you just hit the enter. Okay, now we're done. The host network started. So all you're gonna have to do now is to scan your Wi-Fi networks again on your Android, and trust me, this time around you're going to see the ad hoc network just created with the name Android Wi-Fi. So you just try to connect this to this Android Wi-Fi on your phone, and the password you're going to have to enter is the password you have here. Now we have started this service. You can turn the service on and off. If you want to turn this service off, you copy this third command, you click on the DOS, then you paste. It's the same as the second command we used, but just here we're typing stop instead of start. So just enter, then it stopped. Now I'm going to show you a really short way to just turn on this on start off thing without having to type the whole commands. You right click on your desktop, you choose new, then you go to shortcuts. So you're going to copy the shortcuts here for the start, you paste it and type the location of the item. So right click paste, then you go to next, and you can name this start Wi-Fi, then finish. So this is going to start this icon right here. When double click, it's going to start the ad hoc network we just created. So let's create another one for the stop shortcuts. So we're going to copy the shortcuts here, copy, paste. So next, we're going to make sure they have no characters here. Sure. Next, then I'm going to type stop Wi-Fi, finish. Now, so whenever I want to start this network, I just start and start it. Whenever I want to stop it, I just double click stop and start it. You can make these functions really cool by changing the icons to icon, any icon you like. Oops, yeah, here it is. Change icon. Oops, so I'm going to choose this icon here. This just usually means power, so apply. Okay, then you can just change it to any cool stuff you want. So for if I could have it turned off, oh, let me just leave it like that. So apply. Okay, so guys, this is the video. This is a very useful trick to just connect to an ad hoc network on your laptop, on your Android phone, without having to install any softwares, without having to root any stuff on your Android. Hope you really enjoyed it. Give me any comments if you have any problems, and I'm going to help you out. Thank you very much. Bye bye.